Okay, a 20-gram bullet moving at 200 meters per second hits a bag of sand and comes to rest in 0.011 seconds. What is the momentum of the bullet? Just before hitting the bag, find the average force that stopped the bullet. Now let's write all our parameters. Mass is 0.020 kilogram. Initial velocity 200 meters per second. Final velocity 0 meters per second. Time is 0.011 meter per second. And of course, momentum is giving us mass times initial velocity just before hitting the bar, because it starts with an initial velocity of 200 meters per second, so times 200. Multiplying this value, we get 4.0, which is 4.0 kilogram meter per second. This is the momentum just before hitting the bag. That is the momentum before hitting the bag. mv, final velocity, is 0, which is here, minus initial velocity, which was 200 meters per second. Since initial velocity is 200 meters per second, that brought our initial momentum to be 4.0 kilogram meter per second. So it was 0 take away 4. So this is gonna be off. So 0 take away 4 is minus 4. So you have minus 4 all over 0.011. So this is what I want to do before. So you either just plug in your values like this, because you already had your mu, you multiplied your momentum, you got your answer as 4, and the mu is 4, and then mv is 0, because the final velocity is 0, hence 0 times the mass gives you 0. So 0 minus 4 gives you minus 4 all over 0.011. Or if you want to do it from the scratch, mv minus mu, you bring out m, which is the mass, and the velocity final is 0 minus initial velocity. Initial velocity is 200 meters per second. It came out with a velocity of 200 meters per second. So 0 minus 200. Of course, you still arrive at the same answer. You're still going to get 0 minus 4, because this times this give us minus 4. And then finally, minus 4 divided by 0.011 gives us, so I'm going to get minus 363.64, which is approximately minus 364 Newton. It's minus because it acts in the opposite direction. So the force required to stop this bullet is minus 364 Newton. Here you go.